Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to edit name on Airbnb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to edit name on Airbnb. Maybe when you created your account on Airbnb, you accidentally did a spelling mistake in your name. So now you want to correct it, or maybe you have added a wrong name so you want to correct it, or maybe you have a fake name so you want to add a real name, or there could be any other reason for you to change your name on Airbnb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Airbnb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store, App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Now just simply tap on the icon of the Airbnb app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen and some of the options at the bottom of the screen. In the middle of the screen, there are some places. If you're looking for rent places, then you can go for it, or maybe you can reserve them for future. So now if you want to change your name on this app, therefore you have to go to your profile. So this is the icon of the profile. Just simply tap onto that option and then you will land into your profile. Once you land into your profile, you will see this interface. First, you will read the title of profile, and there you will see your personal information. Also, you will see your name written there. So we will see how we can change that name. So at the bottom of the page, we have this option which says settings, and under it we have some of the options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So there we have this first option which says personal information. This option, just simply tap on this option and it will just take a while to load, and after that you will see that this page has been loaded. Now at the top we have this option which says edit personal info, and under it we have two options which says first name and last name. So in the first name you have to enter your first name, and in the last name you have to enter your second or last name. Here if you're looking for the places like you want to rent them, so make sure that you enter your correct name, because if you have a fake profile on this app, so you will might get in trouble that people would not let you rent their places. So make sure that you enter your correct name with correct spelling. So in the first name you remove the existing one or correct the name that you have written here. The second name is also compulsory, therefore you have to add it. You could not leave it, or this option is not optional. So make sure you add both your first and second name. And once you're done with typing your name, just simply click onto this option, and after that your name will be saved and will be updated on your profile. Now again, just simply click on this option. It will ask you again if you want to change it or not. Simply click on save changes, and after a while you will see that on the top your name will be changed. If you tap on your name, you will get into your profile. There you will see that your name will be updated. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can edit your name on Airbnb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.